Hi, welcome to Pictures, Noise and Words. I'm Hedgie, and this is Cattle Decapitation, which is a band that I kind of avoided for years because, well, they're called Cattle Decapitation. It's like, what's that going to be like? I don't know, it's just going to be a bloody noise, isn't it? And then, of course, one day I did listen to them and found out I was an idiot. Cattle Decapitation are the real deal. I haven't heard this, so I may have to eat my words later, you never know. The musicianship is fantastic. The lyrical gymnastics, the vocal gymnastics rather, are something to behold in previous listenings to things, like I say, not heard this. Cattle Decapitation for me is one of those fantastic surprises that I never thought I would like. It's like there's a band called Infant Annihilator, and everyone goes on about it, and I have never, ever listened to a single second of that band, because they just have those names of bands that make me go, it sort of pushes me away, in a way. And Cattle Decapitation was one of them. And now I have their stuff on my iPod, and it gets played in my car, and it's just like, oh, this is so good. This is so good. So I'm not sure how... I will try to be as objective as possible, but I am obviously predisposed to like this. It's just one of those things. So, as everyone out there is saying, let's get on with it.
Floating in stage of our lives to call the stuff.
Is it just me, or are the flies still doing the melody at the end? So this is the thing about cattle decapitation. See, even after all that, I'm still reasonably calm. The thing about cattle decapitation is it's very easy to kind of skim off them and think, well, that's a noise, isn't it? But then you just listen. That production is just superb, because you think about trying to harness all of that chaos and make it listenable. That production is fantastic. And then you've got the writing, which again makes all of that chaos into something you can listen to. The melody is there, the hooks and the song progression and all of that, it's all there. So when you listen to this, if you come to it if you came to this new, right, never heard anything, the first time you listen to it, you're going to literally be just, what's going on? You know, your brain's gonna overload a bit, and you're just going to kind of like, whoa, what? But you listen to this, I've only heard that once, but I've heard this band before. If you listen to this band a few times, so the shock factor goes away, and then you can just enjoy the sort of, the quality of what it is. You know, and this is just great stuff. And no, yes, album, you will be mine. I mean, this song, Scourge of the Offspring, is the first thing I've heard from this new album. I don't know if they've released anything else. What happens with my channel is that songs just get dropped into my kind of email box by promotional companies, or somebody will recommend it or whatever, because I don't really have the time to go out and listen to all of the 10,000 metal bands vying for my attention all of the time. So stuff like this, to me, falls out of thin air, if you like. I've forgotten where I was going with this. But, you know, cattle decapitation comes back onto my radar, and I'm instantly interested because they have produced such good quality stuff in the past. I was thinking past and back. Never mind. In the past. And this is no exception. It just sounds so good and is so well done. It's just top quality stuff. And no doubt some people are going to say, you absolutely must listen to Infant Annihilator now. And as I was saying it, I'm thinking, I'm going to be sorry I said this when I was saying that earlier. It's just great. Admit, you know, it's on the extreme side. It's not going to be everyone. Your average Iron Maiden, people who think Iron Maiden's heavy are not going to like this, are they? But if you're into any kind of extreme metal, I think it's just so well done. I've said that about 20 times now, so I shall stop. Let me know what you think. And oh yes, this album will be mine. See you soon. Bye bye.